Tell me this ain't the cutest thing ever. She insisted on wearing this while we shop at Costco. This is my first major grocery store visit since coming home from Japan. And definitely first time at Costco. I'm honored that I get to hang out with this little one. Chicken bake? Yeah, there's plenty. Come over here. We only need one. Let's see how fast it is. Look at this. Chicken and bacon sandwich. That is new. Right, order number 225. See how fast this is. Oh, 225. That was fast. That was less than 1 minute, girl. Costco, weekday afternoon, early afternoon. No lines. And we're in. Are you happy? Very chill today. Today, gonna kind of explore. When I was in Japan, I went to the Costco there, and it was crazy. So I didn't spend that much time in there. Now she is supposed to nap here soon, so I'm gonna hurry back. What? I'm looking for deals today. Actually, I'm not really. I already know what I want. Got my list. But I was looking to see if there was deals here at Costco. Maybe I'll check out some stuff. You know, there's this Costco deals guy that I always watch. And he's pretty entertaining. He I think he might be my age. Dad, definitely family man. Or at least I'm assuming that. And he does a Costco deals of the week. Let me know if you know who I'm talking about. I don't even know his name. But he's always finding the good deals. Oh yeah, Halloween. Look at this. Wow. Mickey Mouse getting in on Halloween already? It's not even September. Kind of crazy. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Costumes already? Jeez Louise. What? Oh yeah, we saw that. We're here for food though, okay? We're here for food. Seems as if every single year Halloween stuff comes out earlier and earlier. I was just thinking for decorations and toys, but even food. Halloween Oreo cookies. First thing on our list. Mia made sure to remind me we need not just applesauce, Kirkland brand applesauce. It's impressive what Kirkland brand has done with their products. I mean, shout out to Costco. Obviously, they own Kirkland brand. You know, when a kid specifically asks for Kirkland brand anything, you know, Kirkland's winning. Another Kirkland brand product we love, bacon. In fact, even when we run out of bacon, I don't buy bacon anywhere else because it's such a good deal. 4 packs of bacon for $17. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. I used to buy this brand right here, the Hemplers, but definitely more expensive for a 2-pack, same price. So, yeah. Oh, you see the samples? But you've got a chicken bake. Kirkland brand pizza.
That's a signature thing, crust. Made of real mozzarella cheese, comes with a Kirkland brand guarantee.
Nice. I'm gonna try that. First time I had Kirkland brand pizza, frozen pizza. That's good. We might have to get this. Gotta try this. Me and Judy were talking about frozen pizzas not too long ago. How amazing. They're 4 frozen pizzas for 13 bucks. That's a good deal. Funny thing is, I'm literally gonna make pizza today, but it's always nice having a backup snack or meal for the kiddos, especially when we get busy. Because the only thing is, when I do pizzas, which I love to do, it's time commitment. The rest of the afternoon, early evening, and then dishwashing at the end of the night versus frozen pizzas. There's another Kirkland signature product I want to get here. I saw on the Deals Guys channel, and it is pizza related. You sold us on the pizza. Thank you.
No problem. You guys have a great day.
Yep. All right, so what I'm looking for is pizza bites. Yeah, the deal guy, he was talking about Kirkland signature pizza bites. They must be sold out. They were in his video. That's one thing that is kind of interesting about Costco. Something that basic, you would just assume they would have at every Costco. Or maybe that guy is so famous, so popular that whatever he suggests sells out. Another Kirkland brand item that we used to always buy, now we don't. The Kirkland signature vanilla ice cream. This is also a really good deal. 2.5 gallons for 15 bucks. But I eat Kira's ice cream exclusively, or at least when it's available. Today we're gonna either make a blueberry ice cream or a peach ice cream to go with the pizza. So, see, they got these bagel bites, pizza snacks, but oh shoot, and they're on sale too. A lot. 72 bagel bites for 8 bucks. I promise I didn't intentionally plan on promoting Kirkland signature today. It just happened that all the things that we want or ran across are Kirkland signature. Parmesan. Let's see, which one do I get? This whole block, $10.99 per pound.
Well, bigger than he looks like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bigger. That's I'm flattered. Yeah. So you said your wife watches my videos?
Religiously, she loves your little girls.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, I appreciate it. It's good to meet you. Take care. Benji.
Benji, Troy.
Troy? Good to meet you, Troy. Take care. That happens more often now, which is kind of crazy because I meet other dads that shop here at Costco. And Troy back there was saying his wife watches our videos. So, to Troy's wife, hello. But yeah, it's been happening more and more where I meet other dads, specifically dads, which is cool. Okay, we got the bacon, we got the applesauce, got the Parmesan. Now I need the sliced cheddar cheese. Judy requested sliced cheese, which I'm sure is partly because we're going to be making more sandwiches for back to school. So this is our favorite brand, Tillamook sliced cheese. So normally we don't buy sliced cheese because they put some kind of coating on it and then the cheese doesn't taste as good. So I insist buying a whole block of cheese, but for convenience factor, especially when the kids go back to school and things get kind of crazy. Convenience trumps quality. Though it's still good, don't get me wrong. That Tillamook cheese, really good as long as you don't keep it around too long, and we're going to be using that pretty quickly. I'm actually surprised and shocked how quickly we use it. Ooh, it's so cold. Next on the list, milk. I've been buying the conventional milk, but today we're going to switch it up, go with our Old Faithful organic A2 protein, 4.5 gallons, $14.50. Still a good deal. Next on our list, cheddar cheese, got that. Oh yeah, avocados, mushrooms, got almost everything.
No, talk to mommy.
Yeah, here, talk to mommy.
Mommy, I snack tomorrow. Don't happy house.
She wants us to...
Happy house. That's happy house.
At the trampoline park?
Yeah,
Oh, you're gonna bring it to the trampoline park tomorrow?
yeah. Tomorrow.
Oh, you could tell Auntie Momo.
Okay.
Okay, is that it? By the way, we bought frozen pizzas for the first time. I can't even remember when because they had free samples and this girl inhaled them.
Dang, that girl is hangry. It's like she made up for not having the rest of her pasta yesterday.
I know, and she ate a chicken bake. So, by the way, can you take my pizza dough out of the fridge? Just put it on the counter. Thank you. Love you. Bye. I'm also getting you Topo Chico, honey.
Thank you. I can get avocado.
Oh yeah, that's next on my list. Topo Chico, we just ran out. This is kind of a funny looking cart for us because normally it's full of vegetables and fruits, but we've been buying a lot of our fruits and veggies just at the local grocery store, the Hagen's. But I am gonna get a few things here. One of them being avocados and the other one being mushrooms. I have a mushroom guy at the farmer's market, but price is pretty expensive. But shiitake mushrooms from Costco, probably the best deal. These are the shiitakes I'm talking about. Believe it or not, even though this seems expensive, this whole case, $10, but the quality is awesome. Even if I don't use all these, what I do is I cook them off, and then with the leftover, just have them for another meal, maybe for steak or maybe an omelet. So yeah, and they last quite a while, but I usually try to cook them off right away. The thing about mushrooms, especially when you buy them from like a normal grocery store, they tend not to last very long, which I don't know if mushrooms are supposed to after you harvest them, but for whatever reason, these shiitakes from Costco, they last the longest of all the mushrooms that I can buy. And like I said, the price is right. This is new. Organic fresh figs. Ooh, gotta always look below because those ones, the color just ain't right. But right below that, look at these, a nice purple color. Very healthy for you. So I'm gonna get this for the kids. Hey, do you know what figs are? You can add this in the car actually. We'll taste it together. Next on the list, avocados. I'm just gonna grab the ones in the back. This bag, $12 for how many? 1, 2, 3, is that 5? So Judy's been craving watermelon, which you know what that means. So I gotta get watermelon. And these organic ones from Costco have been winners consistently. One thing I like about buying the smaller watermelons is more chances for good ones. See, if you buy one big one, that could be hit and miss. And I don't know about you, but I never bring the watermelon back. It would have to be super, super bad. But even if it's just not good, I don't want to bother with returning it. So I'd rather buy 4 of those than one huge one. Because the other day I bought watermelon for Judy because she was craving it. And it was 15 bucks for a big organic one. Versus I could buy 4 of those for the same price. So watermelons, definitely one of the best deals. I want you to know you've been very good today. Thank you.
No.
No. She hasn't always been a good girl at Costco, which I don't blame her. It's not really made for kids. But today, guess what? We're not gonna buy anything, but I'll let you look at all the toys, okay? Okay, I don't know what it is about Squishmallows, but kids just love Squishmallows. Look at this. Is this a Squishmallow? What is this? What is this? You can hold this, but we're not gonna buy it, okay? Okay, let's put it back now, okay?
No. Halloween.
Halloween? Oh yeah, here, this is what you're looking at, huh? I know this guy. He's from Nightmare Before Christmas. It's crazy that she knows what Halloween is at 2 years old. Look at that. This thing's as big as you. That's another Squishmallows. Are these small Squishmallows? Okay. Christmas mini ornaments. Wow. That's got to be a record. August and Christmas is already out. Want to go see the monster? Let's go look. This thing is creepy. You're not scared though, right? You're brave? Get out of here. Christmas already?
I'm fighting.
Why would someone buy Christmas stuff in August? Alright, you guys, I've told you about this Portland ketchup. Looks like it's almost sold out. Grab it while it lasts because this ketchup is so different than any other brand, including Heinz. What? No, oh, what is? Oh, it's barbecue though.
I want barbecue.
You like barbecue?
This is on its way out, so if you like it, I'd get it now.
Okay.
$6.99.
Thank you. Oh, what? This sauce right here?
This awesome.
Okay, let's see if this girl likes it. Here, hold it with 2 hands, okay? How do you like it? Is it good?
Are these spicy?
It's a little bit spicy. It's funny, they put this barbecue sauce on a piece of, I think a chicken tender or something like that. Is it good?
It's like
Spicy? You want to give it to Daddy? Okay, I'll eat it. Uh-oh.
no.
No more. I thought you wanted me to eat it. That's pretty good. We'll never know why. We'll never know. The lady said, if you want this, get it now. It's actually pretty decent. Kinder's barbecue sauce. Hickory brown sugar. Really good. We just ran out of avocado oil. Oh yeah, and I need olive oil too. Okay, so which one do you guys get? They've got the Italian extra virgin olive oil. 30 bucks. Then they've got organic extra virgin olive oil, but I guess it's not from Italy, or maybe it's got mixed, sources. $24.99. And then they've got this standard stuff. Doesn't really say much. Refined olive oil and 15% extra virgin olive oil. $29.99. Lately I've been getting this stuff right here. Funny enough, it's more expensive, but it's 100% Italian. The Italians know their olive oils, even though it's not organic. It's actually really good, so that's what we've been using at home. Now, the thing that's the best deal is right here. This light taste olive oil, Pompeian, which I've heard of, and I know a lot of people use it. Get 2 of these big jugs for a little bit under 40 bucks. They also got this organic extra virgin olive oil. Looks really fancy. It's in a glass bottle. Obviously much smaller, less volume, lower price, but you're probably getting the amount you pay. So $17.69 price per liter compared to this one, $9.37 per liter. Yogurt smoothies? Nice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, melts the...
What do you say? Here you go. Is it good? You like it? That awkward moment when you know you're not going to buy the sample that they're trying to promote. You just want the free samples. I know everybody can relate to that. But sometimes, like the pizza, the frozen pizza, we did buy that. So good for them for trying to sell the product. Now, speaking of pizza, this is what I use for my pizza sauce, the San Marzano from Cento brand. Really good, and this is back. 12 bucks for 3 whole cans. Really good deal, so definitely pick this up. It's my favorite canned tomato brand, and of course it's the best deal at Costco. 12 bucks, so what's that equate out to? $4 each, which still seems kind of expensive. I remember when I first started making tomato sauce or spaghetti sauces from scratch, a can of whole tomatoes cost $1.50, and sometimes on sale 99 cents. It's kind of crazy how expensive canned tomatoes got over the course of, well, let's see, that's 14 years, but still 4x the price.
I want flowers.
You want flowers? Why do you want everything? All right, let's go ahead and check out now. Okay, come on. Frozen pizzas. I'm gonna hide this one. All right, so today's bill, $200. Kind of crazy. I was not expecting to spend that much today. Hoping to see more deals at Costco. It's already a deal, but you know, when they have sales, their sales are the best. Figs. Here, you want to try one? You have to take this top off. Ooh, it's juicy. A juicy fig. I like that. Go ahead, try it. How to eat it? You just eat it like that. Is it good? Is it thumbs up?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? You have to bite into it like this. Look at the inside. Kind of has a funny look to it. Yeah, they need to ripen a little bit. I'll let them sit out for 1 or 2 days. $200 though. I didn't even buy anything that was really expensive. That olive oil though, and the avocado oil, those maybe were the most expensive thing. Everything else was pretty reasonably priced. Imagine if I bought a pack of steaks. I don't know about you guys, but every single time I shop at the grocery store, I'm buying food in suspense mode, waiting for the price. Now I'm trying to calculate as I go, and I'm definitely avoiding buying certain food because the prices have in some cases quadrupled. But that's why we've been coming to Costco so much more. Thank God we have Costco. We probably spend at least $400 a week on food. Obviously times that by 4, $1,600 at least. It could easily go up to $2,000. Now that's to feed 7 people plus oftentimes 1 or 2 other people. We've got Papa right now, and I can totally justify that. It's not that big of a deal because we don't go out to eat. The last time we went out to eat that I can remember, we went to a pizza place, and it was about $115. Might have been a little bit more. Now for 7 of us, I mean, that equates to less than $20 a person, but still, that was a pizza house. Imagine if we went somewhere like kind of nice. Judy and I both had a drink. I feel for people that eat multiple times a week, if not more. Because I mean, I guess not everybody has 7 people in their family, but still, you know, going out is going out and it's expensive. Luckily, we love to cook. The girls love to eat fruits. They really don't complain very much, which I'm grateful for. The craziest thing right now about prices is how expensive everyday items are. I feel the things in between, so just, you know, things that you might buy on Amazon, or if you're, you know, even like clothes. But food is super expensive, and then the really expensive stuff is even more expensive, like cars, because of interest rates and getting a loan. Very, very, very good for you.
I want to do that.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
If you see me at Costco, don't hesitate, say hi. It was cool chatting with you, Troy, and hello to your wife. One of the things I love about YouTube, it connects you to people that have similar interests and passions, and usually are people like you. So in this case, parents, right? Or people that have families or married. Even if you're not like me, right? You just like watching the vlogs. We would love to say hi. I would even take a selfie with you at Costco if you wanted. Ready to go? Gotta take a nap now.